Okay. Caroline.
Nathan.
Oh, wait a minute.
Wait.
Okay, who is Uncle Richie married to?
Aunt Amy.
Who is Aunt Kimmy married to?
Uncle Ted.
Yeah. Who is Aunt Carol married to? Just a minute, Jamie.
Frank.
Who is Aunt Tracy married to?
Uncle Mike.
Who is Aunt Tina married to? Just a
Uncle
minute.
Paul.
Yes, Janie?
Uncle Ted.
Okay, just a minute.
Uncle Paul.
Yeah. Who is Uncle Todd married to?
Aunt Becky.
Yes. Okay. Who are Uncle Richie's kids?
Uncle Richie. Nathan.
Uh-huh.
Ryan.
Uh-huh.
Lynn.
Yes. Who are Aunt Kimmy's kids?
Ben.
Uh-huh.
Sheila.
Mm-hmm.
Joe.
Mm-hmm. One more, big boy.
Yeah. Jake.
Yeah. And who is Joe married to?
Joe.
Uh-huh. Who's he married to?
Aunt Kim.
No, Joey. Who's Joey married to?
Aaron.
Yeah. Who's Jakey married to?
Kelly.
Yeah. And who is Jake and Kaylee's baby?
Delia.
Yeah. And who are Aunt Carol's kids?
Lydia.
Mm-hmm.
Kate.
Mm-hmm.
Kim.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
There's Caroline in there. Another girl.
Lydia.
You said Lydia and...
Audrey.
Yeah. And two boys.
Jonathan.
Yeah. And who are Aunt Tracy's kids?
Lainey and Ellen and Garrett and Luke.
Mm-hmm. And who are Aunt Tina's kids?
Ellie.
Mm-hmm. Look at me. Allie and...
Grace.
Mm-hmm. And...
Simon.
And...
Andrew.
Mm-hmm. And who are Aunt Becky and Uncle Todd's kids? Just a minute.
Steve.
Uh-huh.
Jimmy.
Mm-hmm.
Abby.
Uh-huh. And?
Ina.
Yay! You know all your cousins! Good job, Caroline.